Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to start a 3D printing job. Once you have added and connected the printer, you can begin printing. There are different ways to initiate a print job. On the slicing page, after saving the G-code, you can start the job by clicking on Send to 3D Printer. On the project page, you can either click Print under the G-code tab or Reprint under the Print tab to print a specific G-code file. In the Print section, if the 3D printer is idle, click Print a File to begin printing. A side menu will appear where you can choose to print from either the printer or a project. Once you click on Start Print, but the 3D printer model does not match the connected 3D printer, a warning message will appear as there may be compatibility issues. After you confirm, you will be directed to the print page to check the progress of the print. It takes a while for the printer to heat up as preparation before starting the print. Then the printer will start moving and printing. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.